What does an old cure for rabies and having a hangover have in common? Find out next in our beer culture moment. Ever hear the expression, hair of the dog that bit you? Almost always you're going to hear this from a friend who thinks it's being helpful when he's trying to help you through a hangover. Origin of this expression dates back to 350 BC, but really in a more general sense. And surprisingly, you can find the same sort of expression across almost every language in the world. But what did hair of the dog really mean? Well, it was actually a proposed treatment for rabies. You'd put some hair, the theory is, in the wound of the same dog that had bit you, and so that would prevent you from getting rabies. That was the theory. So it was basically treating an illness with the source of the illness. So as far as drinking goes, if you drank too much, drink some more. But does that even work? Most health experts are going to say no. They're going to tell you that all you're really doing is pushing your hangover out into the future. And so while you're getting some temporary relief at first for your symptoms, or worse yet, some temporary relief from alcohol withdrawal, it's all going to catch up with you sooner or later. So drink in moderation, because while hangovers don't last forever, embarrassing drunken memories do. Now you know the background of rabies and beer, and that's our beer culture moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.